At 5 weeks into pregnancy, a remarkable transformation is underway. This stage marks the beginning of the embryonic period, a critical time when the foundations of every major organ system are laid down. Though the embryo is still tiny, measuring just about the size of a sesame seed, its growth is rapid and complex, with each day bringing new developments that will shape the future baby. One of the most significant milestones at week 5 is the formation of the neural tube. This slender, elongated structure will eventually become the central nervous system, giving rise to both the brain and the spinal cord. The process begins with a layer of specialized cells known as the neural plate. As the days progress, the edges of the neural plate fold upward, gradually enclosing to form a tube. This process, called neurulation, is delicate and crucial. If the tube doesn't close properly, it can lead to serious conditions such as spina bifida or anencephaly. By the end of week 5, the neural tube is well on its way to closing, starting in the middle and zipping up both toward the head and down toward the tail of the embryo. The upper part, destined to become the brain, begins to swell and expand, while the lower portion develops into the spinal cord. This early brain structure is simple, divided into 3 primary regions: the forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Though they may not yet resemble the complex brain we know, these regions set the stage for all future growth, dictating everything from movement and sensation to thoughts and emotions. At the same time, the embryo's heart is also beginning to develop. By the end of this week, it may start to beat, circulating nutrients and oxygen that are vital for the rapid development ahead. Blood vessels are forming throughout the embryo's tiny body, establishing the groundwork for a fully functional circulatory system. On a microscopic level, other specialized cells are migrating to their destined locations, laying the groundwork for the eyes, ears, and limbs. But it is the neural tube and developing brain that take center stage during this week. The neural tube's closure is influenced by many factors, including genetics and maternal nutrition. One of the most important nutrients during this time is folic acid, a B vitamin that helps ensure the proper closure of the neural tube. For this reason, health professionals recommend that women of childbearing age take folic acid supplements even before conception and throughout early pregnancy. As the brain begins to form, the first nerve cells, called neurons, start to appear. These early neurons will multiply rapidly, eventually forming the billions of cells required for sophisticated brain function. In the coming weeks, these neurons will begin to connect, creating the intricate network that will allow the future baby to think, learn, and interact with the world. Although the embryo at week 5 does not yet look distinctly human, the groundwork for all of life's complexity is being laid. The formation of the neural tube and early brain structures are a testament to the intricate choreography of growth and development, all unfolding within the hidden world of the womb. Each tiny step is essential, and each moment brings the embryo closer to becoming a fully formed baby. By understanding the incredible processes happening at this stage, we gain a deeper appreciation for the miracle of life and the importance of nurturing and supporting healthy development from the very beginning. As the weeks progress, these early structures will continue to grow, change, and specialize, eventually giving rise to the unique individual that will one day enter the world.